Welcome to the Office for Veteran and Military Academic Engagement at the College of Integrative Sciences and Arts. We are honored to have you join our vibrant community and are committed to providing you with the resources and support you need to succeed. We understand the challenges that come with transitioning from military to civilian life and are here to support you every step of the way. Our veteran internship and mentorship programs, scholarships, exclusively for veteran students, resume workshops, interview preparation, job placement assistance. We host a myriad of activities throughout the year, including social events, workshops, speaker series that welcomes industry leaders and volunteer opportunities. Check out our website and follow our social media pages to see all the wonderful opportunities. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated staff. We look forward to seeing all that you will accomplish